Welcome to our channel. Verifying your Roblox account adds an extra layer of security and unlocks additional features on the platform. Step 1. Log into your Roblox account using your username and password on the official Roblox website or mobile app. Step 2. Click on the gear icon in the upper right corner to access settings, then navigate to the account info or security section. Step 3. Look for the option to add a verified email address if you haven't already done so, and enter a valid email that you can access. Step 4. Roblox will send a verification email to the address you provided, so open your email inbox and look for the message from Roblox. Step 5. Click on the verification link in the email to confirm your email address and complete this part of the verification process. Step 6. Return to Roblox settings and enable two-step verification for enhanced account security, which can use either email or an authenticator app. Step 7. Follow the prompts to set up two-step verification by entering the code sent to your email or scanning the QR code with your authenticator app. Step 8. Save your changes and test the verification by logging out and back in to ensure everything is working properly and your account is now secured. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.